Hi, my name is Claudia Saez-Fromm. I work with the corporate group. Welcome to 112 West 13th Street. This Greek Revival home was built in 1844 and is the former home of author E.B. White. Like traditional townhouses, you enter on the parlor floor, and immediately you're struck by these incredible details in this beautiful, stunning townhouse. One of my favorite details on this floor is this hand-carved marble mantel fireplace. I love how the fireplace is surrounded by these beautiful bookshelves that make this space both the living room and the library. This area is naturally a gathering space, but one of the nicest things about this floor is how one space flows right into the other. You've heard it before, townhouses can be dark. Not on this floor. You're greeted by light through the southern-facing windows, making this the perfect place for the kitchen, the sitting area, and the dining area. This tucked-in kitchen is perfect for making meals, but also socializing amongst your guests. And all your guests won't stop talking about this beautiful hand-carved marble fireplace and make every dinner party here the talk of the town. The whole back of this floor features this floor-to-ceiling bay windows, making this a perfect spot to catch some rays and have a glass of wine. And speaking of catching some rays, let's go outside. This beautiful backyard is your own private oasis, and it's one of 5 outdoor spaces in this home. And with a backyard like this, who needs the suburbs? This is perfect for outdoor entertaining and barbecuing. And if you have a green thumb, you can even do a little gardening. And if you look closely, you may even be able to find your own Charlotte. Welcome to the primary suite, which occupies the entire second floor. This affords you complete privacy and enough room to stretch out. This bedroom is pin-drop quiet, and it delivers plenty of light through its southern-facing windows that overlook your own private garden. You've heard it before about having your own private spa. Not only does this ensuite bath have its own soaking tub, but its own fireplace. This 5-story townhouse has 3 other bedrooms, but I'm gonna take you to somewhere very spectacular. And on the 5th floor, you have your very own solarium and has easy access to 2 terraces. It has your beautiful glass enclosed atrium. And since it's so nice up here, you don't have to go downstairs. You have your own mini kitchen. It's really like having your own summer house on 13th Street. I'm gonna leave you with one of the best views in town. E.B. White said, New York City is the loftiest of cities, and now you know why. Thank you for coming to the tour.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.